Guys, these little red potatoes been asking me for the longest to please get them out of this bucket. And I've just been saying, I'm going to come back and get you. I'm going to come back and get you. And I wasn't doing it. But they've been saying, we're ready, we're ready. Please come back and get it. Get us out of here. So, this is what I'm getting today out of this little bucket. They've been asking for the longest to please get us out of here. The vines are finally just giving up. They had a little more time. Wow. Imagine what they could have done. And these were just the little small bees that was left when I dug the potatoes the first time. So, I wasn't expecting them to grow again. But you have to admit, guys, when you get these little extras like this, it is a good feeling when you didn't expect them, but then they just come along. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling to get the little extras like this. Yes, it is. So I think I got them all. This is what it looks like. They're small. Got a few large ones. But they were ready to come out. Start sprouting again. Look at there. They were ready to come out. So, maybe I just keep these for seeds. Yep, I can keep these for seeds. Put them away and keep these for seeds. I think that's what I'll do. Guys, wow. I just finished the red bucket over there. That's what I got. But I just decided to come over to this bucket here. This is volunteer as well. The red bucket was volunteer, and this one is volunteer as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get what's on it. Take it off. Yep. Go ahead and it's volunteer. They were ready to come out. These are the small potatoes. Yep. I had about 3 or 4 different types of potatoes. And these are the small ones, so they were ready to come up. So these were mixes, the red ones and the little small yellow potatoes, the little gold ones. So I'm going to go ahead and get them out. That one is rotted. they were ready. They were ready to come out. And they will make a nice little snack. Yes, they will. And every vine did have a potato on it. Every vine did have a potato. I just wasn't expecting this. I was not expecting it. Whoops. Guys, look at this one. Wow. I wasn't expecting this at all. And got to dig some more. Oh, guys, I keep finding them. This one is a purple potato. Yes, this one is the purple. Guys, I didn't plant these. These was just some of the little buttons that was left in when I dug them during the summer. And this is what they did. Yep, this was just some of the little buttons that was left over. And they did all of this. Well, I wish my intentional even had a sweet potato growing. I wish my intentional crop had done as well as this. They did better than the intentional crop. Oh, God. And doing the intentional crop, I was asking if it was worth it. Well, was this little non-intentional volunteer crop, was it worth it? I say yes, it was. Yes, it was. Because this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Yep. Yep. This is what it looks like. So this is my little harvest, and I wasn't even intending to harvest today. Sweet.